I put my blinker on.
Yeah. Signal to everyone that you're turning.
Let the white Jeep know. We're turning if he wants to come with us. Oh, nice!
Oh no.
Yes! All right, here we go.
Recon it first before you go plowing into it.
Oh, nice! Okay, we might have to do it one more time.
There's more. I think there's a lot
Okay,
more
but
water down here.
let's just check because you made me slow down. Okay, you ready?
What have I done? Now run your
I
wipers.
will, so.
It's getting ready to get muddy water in pieces of your car you don't want water in.
Wow. That was just so fun. But the car's wet, not muddy.
And now it's warm.
It's 39. Well, you remember last time my car did this for a while?
Oh, that's true.
It was weird.
That's true.
What?
Nice and slow over this crap. Yeah, that's right. Your
Yeah, because for some reason it waited till like.
thermometer didn't figure out.
I think once we aired.
You know
up,
what it was?
What?
Going through water. Oh, it's with money from this.
Oh, oh, nice.
Mile High Jeep Club. Hang on, I'm gonna take it.
I'm gonna. Did you know this was gonna be like this?
Yeah.
Oh.
I said this is a more
Oh,
difficult
yeah, that's right. You
little
did say
trail
that.
through here.
Yeah, you did say that.
Let me get out and spot this for you. After come straight. Okay, slow, 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 slow. Straighten out a little bit. Okay. Slow up over that. Good, 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 good. All right, wait.
I think you're gonna be walking for a while.
Okay. Passenger. There you go. Now driver, 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 driver.
John, I think, look, that rock.
Didn't even really need me to spot you, did you?
No, I did great.
Huh?
I did great.
Good. Slow.
I am going really slow.
If you just go slow, you're fine. I think you want to stay. I think you want to go right a little bit.
Do you want me to go over this rock?
Yeah, I want you to. Well, Yeah, so go slow down, drop off the rock.
Okay.
Wait, let me spot over here. Yeah, you can cut it.
Cut it.
Wait. No, yeah, go straight.
Straight?
Yeah.
Okay. Now cut?
Nah, well, because you need to get your rear tire past that rock.
Is it?
Now you can cut it.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, another switchback. Ooh.
I don't think the dash cam really shows how steep this is.
Oh, really? Oh, that sucks.
Now I think you're gonna have to put your driver's tire over that rock.
Over that rock?
So just go nice and slow.
Okay.
And then go straight a little bit.
Yeah.
And then turn. Hit it.
Ooh.
There you go. Nice.
Ready?
First gear.
No, I'm gonna have to do that again because that was not good. Okay, ready?
Yeah. I'm always ready.
Nice. Alrighty. It's a big rock.
Yes, you can go that. That's not.
Oh! I turned too quick.
That wasn't big enough to hit anything underneath. That was funny that you went over it. Your
With the back tire. Shit.
You're good.
No. Oh, I don't like doing that.
The tippy stuff is what you don't like.
I know. Yeah.
Just a couple of good rocks. So.
I think that. I
Yeah,
have to have a
put your
tire.
driver on that and then
Yeah.
turn and put your passenger on the other big one. And then be careful because you're going to slide off of it. There you go. There you go. Now go your way. Whee! Good.
You know, also. Then after lunch.
Yeah, just full right there. Just in case someone wants to get my ass in it, hopefully.
Holy fuck.
Oh, look at that. No good stuff on the track because you know trains come. Whoa!
Jeez Louise. That was.
Look at that down. Look at that down.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. This is pretty deep, so don't. I'm gonna get my camera.
No, I'm not gonna go. Did you get it, or
Yeah.
should we do it again?
Yeah, no, I got it.
Damn. We shouldn't do it again?
I got
I
it.
didn't even get it up high. You sure you got a good
You got
video
it.
of it?
It's perfect. Like it. There's no chance of us getting it any better.